What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name's Greg, and today we're going to be cooking some salmon on some cedar planks. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so the first thing what we're going to do before we even touch the salmon is you're going to get your cedar planks. You're going to find something that you could put them in water. I didn't have nothing to weigh it down because you have to have something to weigh it down or else it's going to float. But so I just filled up 2 cups, put them in the water. You're going to want it to be in the water for about an hour. So this is going to sit in the water for about an hour. I started a little early, so before I started recording. So you're going to let this sit there for about an hour, and then in the meantime you're going to start getting everything else ready. Alright, next what we're going to do before we even start on the salmon, you're going to go ahead and start preheating your pellet grill. So I'm going to put mine, salmon cooks pretty fast, so I'm going to set mine at like 450. Let that heat up, and while that's heating up, we're going to go ahead and start on our salmon. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our glaze. So what we're going to do is you're going to get some whiskey, and we're going to pour half a cup of whiskey. Right there. We got half a cup of whiskey. Pour that in there. And then half a cup of honey. Alright, now that we got our half a cup of honey, we're going to try to pour all of it out. Just like that. That'll be enough. Alright, next we got some brown sugar. What we're going to do is we're going to do 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Two teaspoons of your favorite seasoning, but I like to use the Kinder's wood-fired garlic. And we're going to do 2 teaspoons, if I can find it. Yeah, 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. And then come over here, get some whole grain mustard. You're going to do 2 teaspoons of whole grain mustard. And then you get 1 clove of garlic. You're just gonna take down the whole thing of garlic. Alright, now what we're gonna do, crank this up. We're gonna let it start getting that glaze. So come over here, get something to mix it with. We're just gonna mix it in. And you don't have to mix it the whole time, but you're gonna pretty consistently mix it. Alright, once it starts looking like this, you know you're good. So what we're gonna do, take it off some heat, not burn yourself while we're at it. Take it off, let these bubbles go down. There we go. That's what you're looking for. Something like that. You can see it's thickened up a little bit. So now it's time to start getting these salmon ready. Alright, so now these have been in here for about an hour. Get this out. We got our pieces of cedar. Down there. Scoot this over without spilling a bunch of water. Set that down there. Alright, now we're gonna get our salmon. You're gonna take this right here. Just gonna slap it on that cedar. Just like that. Alright, now that we got the salmon on there, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pat the salmon dry. As dry as you can. Just like that. That's some nice dry salmon. And then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our glaze and our salmon and the cedar planks, take it over to the pellet grill, put it on, throw some of that glaze on. All right, now that the pellet grill's up to temperature, I lowered it a little bit. We're gonna do it at 350. We're gonna open this up. All we're gonna do, throw that on. Throw that on. And then I'm gonna come over here, grab this pan. I'm gonna lather it on up. Just like that. Go ahead and take this off. Shut your lid. And we're gonna cook this salmon on here until the internal temperature is at 140 degrees, but I'm gonna check it every 5 to 7 minutes. Salmon's not ready. It's been 5 minutes, but we're gonna add another little coat. Get the sides. Same thing. Alright. Now, shut it. We're gonna wait another 5 minutes, and then about another 5 minutes, then we're gonna put the probe in and see what temperature we're at. Alright, now it's been a total of 10 minutes. Let's see how this salmon's sitting. Yeah, we still got a while to go. Yeah. Yeah, we still got a while. So, another round of glaze. Come down. Shut it. Wait another 5 minutes. See where we're at. Alright. Now it's been a total of 20 minutes. 25. 20? 25. 25. 25 minutes. They should be done. Oh yeah. Yep. These puppies are done. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get something to get it off the grill, and I'll meet y'all inside to see how it tastes. All right, it's been sitting here for about 5 minutes, cooling off. See how it tastes. It's a nice piece. Oh. Okay. Okay. That might be my new favorite salmon recipe. That is hands down delicious. Very good. Juicy, tender. Nice. You want some? You can't have any. Alright, so that's my salmon recipe on the cedar plank. Hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all don't mind, like, comment, subscribe, and leave down in the comments what you want to see me cook next. Appreciate y'all watching.